Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to use the advanced filter to run multiple or criteria. So kindly open the file called inventory1 from the session 1 sample files folder. Before you create an advanced filter, you need to create a criteria range. A criteria range can be created anywhere within your workbook. It could be in a new worksheet. It could be on the side, for example, in cell J1. It could be at the top of the list that you want to filter. Now, for convenience purposes, we are going to create the criteria range at the top of this data. Kindly select 5 blank rows from the top. Right-click the selection and then select Insert. So we have inserted 5 blank rows at the top. Now copy the range headers and paste them in cell A1. Okay, now plot the criteria. Condiments and seafood. I will copy and paste them. You can also type them if you want. Okay, so we have now plotted the criteria within our criteria range. The criteria range runs from cell A1 to cell F4. I have intentionally left that row blank. Reason is to tell Excel or to tell the advanced filter that the data below, that one, is separate from the criteria range above. As a rule of thumb, if you're to create the criteria range at the top of the data that you're filtering, ensure to leave one blank row. So if you don't want to worry about that, always create the criteria range in a new sheet or on the side of the data. If you create it at the top, ensure to leave one blank row separating the criteria range from the data that you intend to filter. Now click inside the data that you are filtering and then select the data tab at the top. Go to the sort and filter group and then click advanced. Okay, the list range has already been selected for us because we had clicked inside the data in the previous step. Now select the criteria range box and then highlight your criteria range from cell A1 to cell F4. Then click OK. There you go. Your data has been filtered by condiments, seafood, and confections. Thank you so much for listening. And before you go, if you're interested in in-house training, one-on-one trainings, off-site trainings, kindly contact the number below. The prices are negotiable. Thank you so much. See you in the next lesson.